Shall we start with this where we have finished the previous class, children? Okay. The trader and invited him their house. Who invited? She called out to the greedy trader. Who called out? She means here the lady, the old lady, and invited him into their house. She showed him the bowl and said, "Sir, my granddaughter would like to buy a trinket. Would you give her something she chooses from your wares and take this bowl in exchange?" Now, what she did that granddaughter wanted to buy something from that. Okay, so therefore the old lady invited him into their house, the greedy trader. The greedy trader did not think much of the ball, but decided to look at it. He decided that just he looked at that, okay, whatever it may be, half-heartedly he looked at that ball. He took it in his hand, turned it over, scratched the back of it, see, with a needle. Okay, so he is very intelligent. What he did that he took the needle and scratched the ball with a needle. When the layers of the dirt fell, okay, what has happened here? It was the layers means it was old. No, the ball has become old, and the dirt was grime over in that. When the layers of the dirt fell, he realized it was a ball made of a real gold. Okay, so it was worth more than all the money he had. So how much money he has at that? No, that much value it has got that. But since the old woman did not know its worth, okay, who did not know the worth of this? Yes, the old woman. He decided to cheat her, means deceive her. Cheat means here deceive her. Decided to cheat her. Why he decided to cheat her? Because he did not know the bowl was made up of gold. He thought a plan. Why he thought that? He is a greedy trader. Okay? He thought, I will make them believe that the bowl is worthless. So he decided make them believe that the bowl is worthless and walk away now. So he planned that now what I have to do, I will now just go. Then I will come back, he said. So then I will come back later and pretend to take up their offer. Pretend means here acting, means little bit acting he wanted to do to show them that the bowl is worthless because I pity them. Pity them means showing kindness because he is very kind. So he wanted to do the acting in front of them. That way they will give it to me for a little money. See, it was his intention. He wanted to buy this ball in a very cheap rate, but its worth is more, children. Okay, how he started? The greedy trader tried to think of cheating them. Okay, so what he did that he threw the ball on the floor. He threw the ball on the floor and shouted. He threw the ball. No, why he is that? It is all only drama he has made that. Why did you waste my time? This ball isn't even worth a single bead from my goods. Not a single bead. Why you wasted my time? Is he doing that really? But he is doing drama. Okay? So that they will. He then turned round and walked away. Oh, so he turned away and turned and walked away. Then inside, happy that his plan was working well. So he thought that definitely they will agree to give him with a little money. Okay, he went away. Now, after that, what has happened, children? What do you think that? Can you guess that? Really, he will come and just take their offer, and wants to take that. Really, what he has planned, will he be successful in that? No, we'll see that. Let us see. Right then, the honest trader came into that street. Who came? Honest trade. Honest trader. Trader means here seller. Okay? Or merchant. He came into that street. Now, very interesting, children. Since he did not find the other peddler, peddler means here, children, peddler means a person who sells from door to door in the street. He is called as a peddler. Look at that. So, in this here, the grandmother and grandchild. We look at that how he came, the honest trader came into that street since he did not find the other peddler. Peddler means I told you that a trader, a seller. There he decided it was all right. Okay, to try selling his wares in this street. Okay, whatever it may be, he did not know. When they saw him, okay, when they who saw them? When they saw him, when they saw him, the young girl and her grandmother decided to try their luck with this trader. Now, that trader, what is told? It is worthless, wasting my time. But now they wanted to show this bowl to this trader because they want to try their luck with this trader. Try their luck means here to find whether he will agree and give some trinkets to her granddaughter. So they called him. Okay, who called them? The granddaughter and the grandmother. So they called whom? They called this honest trader and showed him the ball. Very interesting. Half expecting him to throw it on the floor too. He will also throw, half expecting him. They are also thinking that this man will also throw the ball. What he did that? He told he may come back, but he has not told. But as soon as he realized it was made up of gold, he said, Mother, this is golden ball and I don't have enough money to buy it from you. Okay, mother, this is golden bowl. It is made up of gold. I don't have enough money to buy it from you. It is worth at least 1,000 silver coins. It is 1,000, and I have only 500 silver coins with me. No, what has happened that here when they showed the ball to this man, the trader, the honest trader, they were shocked and really they did not believe. The old woman could not believe his ears. Okay, what has happened here, children? The old woman, yes, could not show what he has made. He gave her that. All the money he had that. And what has happened? Luckily, the honest trader came that. Then, when the peddler heard that it is made me a golden ball, it was the first one to realize it. Yes. Now, what has happened? Here, the woman, shortly after that, enough money to get back and then accept anything. Now, he gave her all her money he had still. Now, the old woman could not believe her ears. She was shocked. But the other peddler threw it on the floor, saying it is worthless. The other peddler, what he did that? He has threw it away. And she said, please take it and we will accept anything you give us in return. So what has happened? The old woman told that whatever money you have, you give it back. He gave her all the money he had and still felt he was not being fair. See, this is honesty. So he told that he gave all the money to the old woman and told him that he is not being fair of that. So he gave them all his goods to, even goods means here the trinket, what are the jewelry he had brought, that he gave it to the old woman, and the money he kept just enough money to go back. He just kept enough money to, then what has happened, he gave only enough money, yes, to give that. Now shortly gave it back to home and left him the ball. Okay, he kept just that enough money and get back home and left with the ball. Okay, now very interestingly, shortly after he left, the greedy trader returned. Shortly after that, what has happened, children? The greedy trader returned. Okay, who came back after that? So he came back, the greedy trader came back. Now, yes, the old man was furious. The old man was furious means very angry. Then when he came back, shortly after that, greedy trader returned to their house and told them he was willing to consider their offer because he felt pity for them, means very kind. Then he came back. What was the reaction of the old woman? The old woman was furious. Furious means very angry. You crook, she said, you crook, you told us that the bowl is worthless. You thought you could cheat us. Luckily, an honest trader came and bought it from us for almost 1,000 silver coins. You are too late. Then, what has happened? When the peddler heard it, he was in agony. Agony means very extreme physical and mental pain. He was totally disappointed. You cheated me of my golden bowl. It was first one to realize it was made up of gold. I was the first one to, yes, realize made of gold. It should be mine. He said that I only realized it was a gold, but he had not told. He ran after the other trader, hoping to catch him, take the bowl from him. But then the honest trader had already crossed nearby the river and gone away to another town. The greedy peddler, okay, was so disappointed, and having lost a fortune means luck, that by the time he reached his house, he was terribly sick. See that, no? What is the result? That when he went home, he was terribly sick. Sick means he was totally not feeling well. So what has happened? He was disappointed. He thought that he will come back and get that ball. Now, lastly, the good trader took the ball to another city and it fetched him more money than he had imagined. He went home a rich man, who the honest trader. Okay, he continued to be good, to be good and honest to his customers, and lived happily for many years. Here, you read this lesson, children. The message is very clear that honesty is the best policy. Okay, when he is honest person is, I told you that he is always remains happy, and dishonest person always unhappy. Okay, no, the result is that. Now just read the question, children, and try to understand and see that vocabulary he has given. That trader means, here the synonyms of these words. Trader, here first one, peddler. Wears goods. Deceitful, dishonest. Trinket, ornament. Okay, now this vocabulary, and you read this lesson and enjoy fully, children. Okay, we'll discuss in the next question answer. Okay, children, thank you.